is the field maintenance staff. These are the people who are actually working on the assets. If we want to create a new request, we are to click this button as a new work request ticket, and you will see a new form will open. In this new form, we need to fill some details. Example, what is the header? What kind of problem is there? We need to fill our address, because in a given shopping mall, there must be multiple tenants. We can choose certain pre-configured work problems, or we can write in details. Further, we can attach some media, maybe photo or video, to make problem more clear. Further, the work request can be closed. So this will create a new work request. This new work request we can see later on. And further, this work request is actually converted to one order. This order is instantly notified to the Central Works Department admin, and they will assign maintenance person available. The assigned maintenance person shall do the needful correction, and the work progress, they will be visible to admin, as well as the tenant who has reported the problem. So this way, they can get the real-time correction work progress. Apart from the work request that is generated out of some correction work, there are preventive maintenance work also planned, and tenant can see planned preventive maintenance work pertaining to their assets, and accordingly, they can make suitable arrangements. This we have discussed the work process issue raised by tenants. Next, we shall see work flow pertaining to field maintenance personnels.